Home Remedies presents How to Lighten Dark Knuckles on Hand and Feet Naturally. Having dark knuckles can be a difficult thing to deal with for women. It could be that you have them naturally, or they could have been induced either by bleaching, excessive tanning, exposure to extreme hazardous washing agents, etc. I usually get questions on how to fix this problem from women who have gotten dark knuckles one way or the other. In today's video, we will find the solution. Ingredients: potato 1 boiled, lemon juice 3 to 4 drops, honey half teaspoon, yogurt 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder a pinch, almond oil 1 teaspoon. Procedure: make a paste of the boiled potato and thoroughly mix all the ingredients in it to get a smooth mixture. Apply this paste on your hands and feet, dark knuckles, for 20 to 25 minutes. Once dry, wet your fingers and then remove it by gently scrubbing it. Wash your hands and feet and dip your fingers in salted lukewarm water for 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, rub your hands and feet knuckles with soft loofah sponge. Repeat this remedy twice in a week. You will notice a visible positive change in dark knuckles of your hands and feet. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.